But even state is not authorized not to tap phones even when it becomes necessary. So here is a illegal not call recording.
Yes.
Where the other side was not informed that I am going to record. And he merrily recorded in the year 2010 and then in 2016. And he preserves them. The divorce petition is filed in 2018. So, my lord, in such cases, it is nothing but an abuse.
That the court will weigh.
Yes, so I am only.
Whether at that point of time what was recorded, they have continued to live together up to 18. Which
so,
is
condonation, etc.
All that.
Yes. So, all of that, Lordship may keep open, Lord. If I see the writing on the wall, please leave all of that open. Secondly, our submission was, Lord, that he is produced compact discs and transcripts. He is not produced the phone and the recording device which he used to, my lords, record the conversation. So
compact
that aspect,
disc yes.
Compact disc and transcript.
And the memory chip also.
And the memory chip, but not, my lords, the original phone and, my lords, the original recording device which was attached by him to the phone.
The memory chip has the recording.
Yes.
No, my lords, unless, my lords, now 65V says what? 65V is not.
That they will comply wherever it is.
So therefore that objection, that, my lords, all these three things are in the nature of secondary evidence.
We are not on 65B.
No, I am saying that, no, these are the liberties which I am praying for. If your lordships are not agreeing with me on the principle, then these are the liberties I am saying, because otherwise, Lord, after your lordship judgment, they will not look into anything. So the original device is not produced, not even if this is treated as evidence, it has to be proved by primary evidence. So the primary evidence in this case will be the phone.
Chip.
No, it will be
where the recording is there.
No, it will be the phone and the recording device.
Where does it record in the phone?
No, at that time I don't know what phone he used.
In the chip.
At that time we don't know, Lord, what.
No, on the chip only.
So, Lord, the phone in which the chip was inserted, chip cannot be a primary device. Chip is inside the phone. We don't know, Lord, whether it was that phone or this phone or.
Now, how are you concerned? There is a chip.
Lordship may keep that open. Lordship will not decide that. And our.
No, we are only on 122.
So, right. So, Lord, 5 judgments we have placed. Now, we have just said that Delhi High Court, in a recent judgment, Honorable Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Himachal and Madras have all leaned towards Lord Delhi, my lord, in a judgment.
All right. The others.
No, Delhi is in favor of leaving.
Punjab and Haryana.
Place a judgment of Delhi. Don't worry, please.
Delhi supports the petition.
Lord, then Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh and Madras.
Of any assistance to the court, I have it allowed.
Thank you.
Where is that?
I will just place it.
So
They have
High
courts have not allowed.
They have leaned towards the fact that, Lord's conversation illegally recorded by one of these spouses. Now the Delhi High Court judgment which my learned friend cited, Lord, was a keyhole camera and a conversation with a third party. It was not a bi-party conversation between the spouses which was sought to be. So that distinction, my lords, is required to be made. And I will stick to my stand that my lords, recording without the consent of the spouse should not be treated as evidence either relevant or admissible. These are the only
There is
two
no
tests.
such exception under 122. How can we read into it?
Lords, unless it is relevant or admissible, 122 cannot be looked into. So my argument is it is not an evidence.
Relevancy will be dealt with by the concerned family court.
So, Lords, the judgment which I have just cited.
They are more experienced than us.
Lords, because we made your lordships note down some high court, so I have given a second compilation. Lordship may only see, Lords. I will not read that. Lords, the honorable high courts which we have listed are in my counter affidavit. 4 judgments, 5 judgments, and 3 judgments here.
These two?
Lord, these are Delhi, Madras, and Honorable High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Now, of course, every judgment is not discussing 122 and 14 lords to the heart's content. But the point is, they have all leaned towards the fact that an illegally recorded conversation should not.
Is that relevant to 122? That's the right.
Yes, lordships are right. So, therefore, Rajasthan High Court has dealt with 122 and 14.
All right, thank you.
We are very grateful to you.
We have heard learned counsel appointed as the amicus curiae, learned counsel for the petitioner at learned senior counsel for the respondent. judgment reserved.
Very grateful, madam.
Now the interim order is there.
Yes, my lord.
Interim order is there.
Yes, my lord. It's there, my lord.
Pendant-
Next date is 27th March, my lord.
The pendency of this case will not come in the way of the progress of the matter.
Yes, Lord,
Very
very
good,
pass the
Lord.
detailed order.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your ladyship, I may be allowed to file that table.
Yes, yes. We
Lordships may kindly also
express
direct.
our thanks to you.
So,
Very grateful, my lord. Very grateful.
we are deeply grateful.
Because at the last, my lords, I will only request my lord, expeditious disposal of the matter before the family. Very well. Very grateful.
We are deeply honored.